How does the brain work? The brain is the most complex organ in our body. It controls everything we do, from simple things, such as breathing, to complex things, such as coordinating our movements. The brain stores our memories, allows us to think and speak, and controls how we behave. Damage to the brain, such as that seen in dementia, can cause difficulties with carrying out all of these functions. The brain is made up of billions of nerve cells, or neurons, all connected to each other. These neurons are fed by a network of blood vessels that provide the neurons with the oxygen and nutrients that they need to function. The brain can be divided into four main sections: the cerebral cortex, which is split into two cerebral hemispheres, the limbic system, the cerebellum, and the brain stem. The bulk of the brain is the cerebral cortex. Each cerebral hemisphere can be separated into four lobes, which have different functions. The frontal lobes are important for decision-making, problem-solving, and planning. They also control our behaviour. The parietal lobes receive and process sensory information from the body, including information about space, size, and movement. The temporal lobes are important for memory, hearing, and language. The occipital lobes deal with visual information from the eyes. The lobes are connected to each other in complex networks, and many tasks require lobes to work together at once. For example, using a fork to eat requires processing of visual information in the occipital lobes, planning by the frontal lobes, and coordination by the parietal lobes to pick up the food and raise it to the mouth. Deep within the brain is the limbic system. This is a collection of structures with a key role in several brain functions, including memory and emotion. Two important parts of the limbic system are the hippocampus, which is important for memory, and the amygdala, which is important for emotion. The cerebellum, at the back of the brain, controls movement, posture, and balance. The brain stem, at the bottom of the brain, controls basic life functions like heartbeat, breathing, and blood pressure.